Hello there. We'll be playing Hypixel. It's not Minteria because there's nothing online on Minteria right now. I just checked. I don't want to be a web, so I'm gonna play solos. Actually, no. No! I'm like, do this. Do this. Because that's what I want to do! So don't believe me. Don't believe me. I know this is a Minecraft channel. Oh my goodness! Why is he alive? No, I'm gonna bully him. If I'm on a team with him, I'm gonna be so frustrated. Just memorize this face. Memorize this face. Stop it. Stop. No! No, I can't. No, I can't deal. Okay, I'm not on a team with him. Good. Schwa! Schwa! Schwaff. That's how I do my LA intro. Oh man. Yes. One more. Thank you. It's not. Ha. Ha. Good God. Good God. I can't sleep in Minecraft. I don't know how to sleep in Minecraft. My button nose and I'm made out of coal. Frosty the snow. No! Copy. Ooh, there. So just 31 there. Click! Oh my gosh! These peoples are insane! No, that's not what I want. I want this. I don't want that either. I want this. I'm gonna save up for 12. 12 gold. Yeah, it'll take a while. So I'm just gonna go item shop. Wool. Yes, good. Frosty. No. Just no. He slipped in barbecue sauce. I got gold. And I got diamonds. Yes. Yes. It is complete. I will get this, and then buy a trap. It's a trap. Then this. Aha! Aha! I got him! Got him! Got him. Pink in the game? Yes, they are, and their defense is trash. So let's go get them, boys. Gotta go Minecraft Gamer Dim. 3, 6, Ultimate Minecraft banner. And I got 10 gold, and I'm just gonna go here, and then I'm gonna go there, and then I gotta get 3 more gold. It's what I need to do. 9 more gold. Yeah, I'll just screw it. I'm going over there. They're that stupid. I don't care about my building. Just trying to get over there. No! Crap. But I got him. Got him. Red team has been eliminated. Oh, nice. And 2 eyes made out. I don't like that. Stop that. Just gotta wait here. So Pink will be dead when someone goes over there and murders them. Get some iron armor. Get some diamonds. You should come over here. Oh crap, they got iron armor. Whoopsies, not going over there. Nope. 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 Nope, nope. Nobody, nope. Reinforced armor 1. Oh, a 5-star white. That's how you know I've been playing for a good bit. Pink. I'm gonna go over there with my axe and they're gonna get destroyed. Screw off! I got screwed! Scrooge McFudge. Just knock him off, yes. Final kill! Well, crap. I could just block us in if we had strong. Well, crap, that's gone, so. Pink team eliminated. So our one neighbor is gone. We still have the other one, which I don't know which color it is because I didn't look. It's yellow. How great. And yellow is still alive. I'm gonna go over here to my Christian Minecraft platform and then go over here. Ding! And 2 eyes made out. Oh, yes. They didn't even. Oh, they did. Yes. Yes. They did it. They did it. You and then you. How much is it to buy 4? Okay. Frosty. No. I can't stop singing it. I can, but I just refuse. Give me you. Give me you. So, both ironed up. Yes, good. Close enough. Right? Yeah, right. How are you guys in there? So I can just go like this. Are they connected to their diamond island? Yes, they are. Go, 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 go. Gray is dead. So just go over here. Red is dead. So just go over here. This is probably full. Oh, well, not even close. Oh! It's only me. No. Oh, crap. I'm just yeeting around right now. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna go like this. Just gonna buy some apples. And go over here. 6 emeralds. It wasn't worth it. Lol. No. You bully my friend. I bully you. You bully me. You bully my team. I bully you back. So hard that your mama, you gotta go quiet at your mama. So get lulled. Because they just... Oh wait, this is it. Are they connected to Emerald? Yes, they are. Ooh, mamacita. I don't think anyone's been here. Nope, no one's been here in a while. So just go over to 4 platforms out. Okay, I might have diamond armor. I probably will have diamond armor. Huh? Evan's probably like, what is he doing in there? So, if I make this in time... I'd say... Yeah. Going back around. That's what I gotta do, and that's what I gotta do. No? Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes. And I click, 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 click. Let's go, let's go. I got 9 emeralds. And then I'm gonna go back here. Be careful with that one. I should fix that. But I refuse. You go over here. Throw you in there. You in there. No, you in there. Especially you. I'll keep you. There's diamonds in? Boy. No. Boys. There's no stopping me. Where'd you go? They'll find you. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. No. Well, crap. I died. Well, I'm gonna leave that video here because I just am, because I only have like 10, very little left. So, leave it here. Bye, guys.